There is another reason why democracy should lead to better decision than any non-democratic government. Democracy is based on consultation and discussion. So whatever the decisions are made by a democratic government, it is based on consultation and discussion. A democratic decision always involves many person discussion and meeting. So whatever are the decision by a democratic government, it is done by lots of discussions, meeting, and finally they come to a conclusion. When a number of people put their head together, they are able to point out possible mistake in any decision. So if a large number of people will be included in order to deal any specific matter, obviously if there is any negative impacts or any mistake, they will point out easily. These take times, but there is a big advantage in taking time over important decision. Though it takes a lots of time, but the big advantage is that by taking lots of time, it can be or you can say by taking lots of time on the important issues, it's worth. These reduce the chances of rash or irresponsible decisions. So as in a democratic government, it takes lots of time to come to the conclusion, so it will reduce the chances of risk or irresponsible decision. Thus democracy improves the quality of decision making. Why democracy improves the quality of decision making? Because many peoples are involved in order to come to the conclusion. So this is one of the advantage of having democracy in a country.